Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to log out of your Google account. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you will see your profile picture or your initial inside a circle. That icon represents your Google account. Click on the profile picture or the initial. A small menu will appear. In that menu, you will see the button that says Sign Out. Click on Sign Out. Once you do that, you will be logged out of your Google account on that browser. If you are using a mobile device, the process is a little different. Open the Gmail app and tap on the three lines in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. You will be taken to your phone's account settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Manage Accounts. Not tap on the account you want to log out of, then select Remove Account. Confirm by tapping Remove Account again. This will log you out of Gmail and remove the account from your phone. After signing out, the page will reload, and you may see a sign-in button instead of your profile picture. This confirms that you are logged out. That is all you need to do to log out of a Google account. Thanks for watching.